AMPR Plaza brings you KC's largest consignment dealership, KC Marines. Today we bring you a 2003 Crestliner Rampage 2100 Sterndrive. Very nice 20-foot long, 8-foot wide welded aluminum Crestliner deck boat that does it all. Low hour 4.3 MerCruiser, Alpha 1 drive, Shorland'r trailer with brakes and full rollers. All weld aluminum V-hull is as smooth as it gets at 50 miles per hour. Pontoon seating rated at 10 passengers can convert easily to a fishing setup. Loaded with the changing room, porta potty, rear sun deck, removable table, swim ladder, live well / cooler, tons of storage, nice sound system, interior lights, 24-volt trolling motor, Bimini top, custom travel cover. Interior is nice, no tears or cracks. Seats are soft and clean.